Alright guys, so thank you for joining this video again, and this is APM plug right here. So right now we're going to be talking about our alt wallet right here, and massively alt wallet has been doing well in the last. So we have a new task to actually verify. So just come right here to mission. So once you come to mission, you are going to scroll down, then you are going to see the video right here. So the video is currently at this particular site. You can see right here, just click on this, then we have the video just this way. So you're going to see we have the new video right here, which says who are they actually. So we're going to answer this particular video, right? So before we answer, let's check out some review on the alt wallet, right? So on alt wallet, if you come back to the home page right here, I actually drop a link for this, right? This is actually GraFUN, and this is under alt, and this is listing very soon, like very soon it is going to be listing. So I'm going to drop the link at the description of this particular video. And also if you check out my Telegram, this is my Telegram account, so the answers to some of these questions are always here. You can see we have different answer here, right? So if you have missed any of the alt wallet answer, I'm going to be dropping it right there. All you need to do is to check the description of this video and also at the comment section to drop to connect right there. So let's go back to this. So once you click on this site, you are going to see, okay, let me just go back a little. All right, so once you click on this site, then you are going to see our wallet, right? So you scroll up, then we are going to come back to this, right? So we have to check out this particular video and check the code for this. So I'm going to watch the video right now. So right here, you click on. All right, so after successfully watching the video, so you're going to come back to the page, then click on this. So you click on this side. So the answer for today is actually, so you open this, right? Then you go to your keyboard. So on your keyboard, I'm going to put it on capital letter, and we have PROFIT, right? So this should be our answer for today. So I'm going to click on submit, right? So let's wait for it for a little time to see if it's going to load. Yeah, so you can see after a few minutes the mission is completed. So we have 0.1 alt already, and this is actually verified and good. All right, so this is all we are going to be dropping on this video. For more, do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you actually find this particular video useful for you.